Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the thank you card without hard diamonds or group exhibition food in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a multi collaborations event where in here you can buy special outfits and items, but to buy these items you will need thank you cards like this, this one, and usually you can buy them using hard diamonds. Hide from hard diamonds you can buy the group exhibition food like this, and from the group exhibition food you can do draw to get the thank you card. But the good news is you can actually get them for free using wishing star. And here's how. First, just tap on the globe icon like this, and then just choose the banner that you want. For example, I want to choose this banner, and then after that just tap on exchange store, this one, and then just scroll down until you find this thank you card. And in here the rate is one thank you card for 3 wishing stars, so make sure you collect as many wishing stars as possible, but just keep in mind this exchange is limited. Its banner only allows you to get up to 30 thank you card from wishing star exchange, so it's equal 90 wishing star. And so just buy this thank you card wisely. Just adjust the numbers of thank you card that you want to buy. For example, in here I want to buy 5 thank you cards, and then next just tap on purchase, and just like that you can get this thank you card easily without hard diamonds. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.